Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is my King Smith walking pad. It's a G5i Foldable Incline Treadmill. One of the features is it is extremely sturdy, yet it's movable and portable. Let me show you how to operate it. Let's go. I want you to see this LED display as I see it when I'm using it. Isn't it beautiful? This is a power button. It is in a pause mode right now, and it's going to tell you how many seconds until it goes to sleep. So if you walk away and take a phone call, it's fine. It'll automatically turn itself off. Now let's turn it on. I'm going to press the power button. Check this out. It takes 3 seconds, so you have time to gather yourself. It's going to start off at a very slow pace, which is perfect for me. I want to get my bearings. It's going to tell you the time you're working out. Right now, it's only been 10 seconds. This is the incline, but the incline's at 0 now because it starts out at 0. Now it's also going to tell you your distance. It hasn't gone very far because I just turned it on. It also will show you your calories of burning while you're on it, which is a great measurement. This is 1 mile per hour. I'm going to turn it up, and it goes up in 0.1 of a mile increments. That's 2 miles an hour, and that's such a great pace for me to do my steps and get my heart rate up while I'm exercising. Okay, now this is almost a small jog for me. You can quickly press it to level 3. That gives you the 3 miles an hour. It will automatically step up the pace for that. Now let's go to 6. These are presets on it. Now you're at 6 miles an hour. Now that's quite a fast run for me. I really don't ever use it in the 6, but let's say you're that athletic, you can. Now let's see 9. 9 miles an hour. Now that would be if you're a sprinter. I've never taken it to 9 while I've been on it. That is too much for me. And now I'm going to use a dial to adjust the speed. This is how easy that dial is. Look at that, going from 3 miles an hour all the way down to 1. It's so easy. So you can incrementally adjust what speed you like to go. I'm going to give it a test and run it really fast so you can see me turning this dial. I just keep turning it, turning it, turning it. It's going faster and faster and faster. Let's heat her up and go higher. 4 miles an hour. Now that's really comfortable, and these are so sturdy for me to hold on to. One thing I like to do in my workouts is to change the different paces so I can go endurance, but I'm not going to wear myself out. It's like being in a track meet and you're a long distance runner. You got to pace yourself for the long workout. And for an extra workout, I'm going to press the incline, and I love that automatically it will go up. This is level 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25, maximum. I am walking up a mountain now. It is an 18% incline. Isn't that amazing? And you can move your speed as you're running up the mountain. You get the idea. And what comes up can easily come down. And after you go to 0, it'll take a second for it to automatically come down. Because I pressed it to 0 incline. It might take 10 seconds to do just that. Voila. And let's say you had an emergency and you pulled away. It will stop safely. Let's turn it on again. Now I'm in a certain workout session. It's calculating all the stuff on the interior of the machine under this program with what I'm doing here. When I stop, it's going to calculate what happened during that session. This session wasn't long enough to calculate it. I'll explain it to you. The Kingsmith WalkingPad G5i Foldable Incline Treadmill has smart built-in programs. Explore professionally designed programs that automatically adjust your speed and incline, delivering a smart, hands-free workout tailored to your fitness goals. It has goal-setting mode. Turn every workout session into a victory. Set specific targets for time, distance, or calories to keep your training purposeful, measurable, and rewarding. One-tap transitions. Jump straight from 3, 6, or 9 miles an hour to switch between walking, jogging, and running, perfect for interval training. I paused it and it'll stop the program. Going to hold down the power button to get to the end of the program so I can demonstrate another. Here we go. P, P2. That's a whole different program. 3.5 miles an hour, 15 minutes. Some of the programs have different lengths of time, like P9, 2 miles an hour at 42 minutes. These are all free. So as you're working on your workouts, you can increase the level of intensity on your programs. M means manual. We can press M.
I think it's the time dial.
And we're going to do the distance. I'm going to say, hey, I want to go 10 miles today. 11. We're going to turn up the distance. I'm going to set it at 10 miles. Press the M again. Yep, it's going to burn 50 calories per workout session. And we can start the program. That would be for a manual. And adjust the speed I want to go to, just like I demonstrated earlier. It is so customizable to what you feel like doing and what level you are. This is what I like to use when I'm on the Kingsmith WalkingPad. The app's a lot of fun. This stand is so sturdy. It's great to hold my iPad, phone, anything you want right next to you. The Kingsmith WalkingPad is so portable, I can put it wherever I want. And I like to often watch my favorite TV shows while I'm doing my workout, in front of the fire. Keep your tablet close, right there on that stand. Miles fly by when you're entertained. Securely holds tablets up to 11 inches, perfect for following guided trainer videos or catching up on your favorite streaming or movies. And on the Kingsmith WalkingPad, it's a quiet treadmill. It's not going to wake the baby. And the material they use is super durable. It's a hard plastic with treads, so it's anti-slip. Can you hear that? That's because of the material they use. You're not going to slip around and fall. It has high traction because of the material, which causes that friction in the traction. And let me show you how easy it is to fold and go. Pull the orange tabs and you push them in. They're located right underneath the handles. I'm pushing it out and folding it in. For storage, this is removable. And simply fold it together. And the next step is you bring the orange piece out that's on the base. And for the final fold, we step on it and we bring the handle down. It has an automatic hydraulic system. So it will bring itself down to the base just with your step and hold. There! The plug is in the back and so is this power button. I'm going to take the plug out for storage. And look how easy it is to move around to where you want it. I just pick it up here, up it goes, and around we can go. I'm doing my ballerina dance for you today. so you can put it just where you want in order to store it. Like if you wanted to put it underneath the couch or the coffee table in your home. And there's another way to store it. You can stand it up, which is great if you don't always want it up and open. You can just put it back into the corner. A lot of versatility with your Kingsmith walking pad. When you order your Kingsmith WalkingPad treadmill, it will come to your home. This is the box it came in. There was strapping tape all around it. I took the strapping tape off, I opened the box, and this is how it comes packaged. I wanted to show you layer by layer how that is. They've taken great care in their packaging design so nothing gets damaged during shipping. It is just that, layer by layer by layer. And after I took all the packaging out, here you see the treadmill right after shipping. I'm showing you the lever below. This is a lever you're going to use to operate it, to go up and down. But I want to mention it's already fully assembled. There's nothing to screw in. It comes this way with clear directions on how to operate it right there by that foot lever. Pressed it and brought it up. Here's a box of accessories that comes with it. I opened that. The electrical cords were in it, all wrapped up. I put everything on this orange mat on my counter for you to see all that you get there. I unwrapped everything. And let me go through. At the very top is the electrical cord that's going to go in your household outlet. On the left is a little bottle of oil for adjustments along the way. Below that is the safety plug all wrapped up. On the very bottom of the screen is the insert for you to put your iPad or your cell phone. On the top right is an Allen key wrench. Here's a close-up of the stand for your tablet that fits right in. Not complicated, it's going to slide in. Here's the electrical cord, the lubricant oil, and the safety clip. Kingsmith G5i Incline Treadmill is a game changer. With that 18% adjustable incline, the vertical or flat storage, and that great SpeedDial Control with a display. Makes my workouts easy breezy. So all I have to do is focus on getting up and moving for my daily physical activity with Kingsmith. What a workout. Click link below to get your Kingsmith walking pad. The model is G5i. It's a foldable incline treadmill. And the link's right in my description box for you to check out. All that information is there. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is one where you can work out in your home at your pace anytime you want with the Kingsmith walking pad. See you next time. Now, I need to get a little more steps in with mine. If you like this video, here's more over there, including some of my recipes to stay fit and healthy. Just click.